She's gonna get tired here pretty quick. It's a lot of work. Good job. Yay, Clara.
Hi, Laura.
Hi. Good job, honey. Okay. You ready to get turned around and do some more?
Hi, Chels.
Okay. Ready, Clara? Turn yourself around. Clara. Okay, ready? I know, I just went to the other side. Come on, honey. Okay, are you videoing? Okay, come on, let's come get it. Can you come turn around and get that? Oh gosh, working so hard. Good girl. Okay. Here you go, Clara. There's one right here. You can do it. Come on. Pull it. Crawl. Yes, there you go. It reminds me of like a little rain puppy, you know. Good. Yay! Good job. Good job. Okay. Clara, look at Daddy. Say, Mama, Mama, Mama. Dada. Okay, one more. You can do it. Oh, that's a far away. Look, come get the whole can. Come on, Clara. I can't think of distraction. Good job, Chelsea. Okay, there you go, Clara.
Chelsea.
Come on, Clara. Chelsea, no. 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 Hi. Come on, Clara. Chelsea, no.
Hi, Laura.
Hi. No, Chelsea. Okay, come on, Clara. You got a big puff right here. There you go. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. You can do it. Yay! Good job. Those are good.